Hey guys, Mike Fab'n here. Hey, we're doing a core support repair for our 88 K1500 Z71. The passenger door or fender was floating back and hitting the front of the door on the passenger side, and come to find out, the whole core support was broke out. So we've cleaned up the metal around it, and then on the edges of this bracket, factory bracket, and we're going to just lay a few beads in here and make it so that it's repaired and so it works again. So let's see if we got a good ground on here. Having to stitch some of it back together where it's cracked and broke. That ought to work good. It just had spot welds in it before from the factory, like 6 spot welds. Now we got good 3/4 inch to 1 inch beads. So it'll be stronger than the factory. Now we need to clean this up, get some degreaser on it, Scotch Brite it, and then paint it flat black, the whole thing. It and the inner fenders. So that's what we're going to be working on next. Hey guys, I appreciate it. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.